Let's talk about Volt Kensington step-through electric bicycle. LCD display showing speed, distance, battery power and more. Up to 60 miles assisted range Panasonic Lithium Polymer Battery. 2-year full peace of mind warranty. Any problems we have full-time phone support. 250 watt SpinTech motor. Shimano Alivio 8-speed gears guaranteed quality standards in 15,194 EN 14,764 and also SGS guaranteed for further quality assurance. I love my bike. Excellent customer service from Volt and my local store, where it was built, could just cycle glide away. Have added a rear pannier, front basket and lock and haven't used my car locally since. In the spring, I plan to sell my car and just use this and my camper van, so it will earn its living in no time at all. Would highly recommend. This is the most amazing bike ever. 5-star no doubt. Beautiful color.